Hi, I'm Reese from Ansell Lighting, and this is the Prism Pro XM range, our smarter, more versatile evolution in downlight design. Prism Pro XM isn't just another fire-rated downlight. It's a modular electrician-focused system built for fast installation and effortless maintenance. Its construction splits into three parts: the bezel, light engine, and driver. So when one reaches the end of its life, you can swap it out in minutes without rewiring the whole fitting. That means quicker jobs, lower costs, and far less waste. Replacement is simple. Take off the bezel, twist and release the light engine, disconnecting the cable. For the driver, press the two side buttons to release the light engine, then unclip the internal connector. All components are available as spare parts. Installation is also a breeze thanks to the two-part detachable connector. Wire and test first, then connect the downlight for a quick, efficient setup. The range includes the Prism Pro XM downlight, the Precision Gimbal, and the anti-glare for maximum visual comfort. Every fitting is dual wattage and CCT selectable, offering 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin or 6000 Kelvin, plus multiple bezel options to match any interior. Fully fire-rated and independently tested, the Prism Pro XM range meets 30, 60 and 90-minute sealing requirements and complies with Part B, C, E and L regulations. Prism Pro XM, smarter, more sustainable and built to last, backed by Ansell Lighting's 7-year warranty.